How to enable Bitcoin wallet in Cash App. I am going to show you how you can easily enable Bitcoin wallet in Cash App. Start by downloading the Cash App from your device's App Store. Follow the installation instructions to set up your account with essential details. Complete the account verification process by providing the required information, including your name, email address, and phone number. This step is crucial for security and compliance with financial regulations. To enable Bitcoin transactions, link your bank account or debit card to your Cash App account. This ensures a seamless transfer of funds between your traditional bank account and your Cash App. Navigate to Cash App home screen and locate the Investing or Bitcoin tab. This is where you can access the Bitcoin features and initiate transactions. Within the Bitcoin tab, follow the prompts to enable your Bitcoin wallet. This step may include agreeing to terms of service and verifying your identity. To start using your Cash App Bitcoin wallet, deposit funds into your account. You can do this by transferring money from your linked bank account or receiving Bitcoin from other Cash App users. Implement security measures to protect your Cash App Bitcoin wallet. Enable 2FA, set up a PIN code, and consider additional security features offered by the app.